friends, now we taken here one transcendental equation. We call this equation as transcendental because it containing a non-algebraic term, that is e raised to x, exponential, trigonometric, logarithmic terms containing, then we call it as a transcendental equation. Now we will try to solve this problem by using the bisection method. Initially, represent this equation in the form of f of x. Write down all the terms in the left hand side and which is equals to 0. So this is the representation. Now we will find out the interval where our root lies. Now this bisection method we are discussing by using this table format. We will understood. This is the simple or understanding level. We taken here that table format. To find the interval, substitute here f of 0 value. Substitute 0 in this function. 0 e raised to 0. That value is minus of 2. Next, f of 1 value we substituted. Then we have 0.7183. Now first value is negative, second value is positive. When we will get opposite sign, we will stop our discussion. So we claim here root lies between 0 and 1. So this is our interval. In this interval, our root lies. So in the bisection method, this become our first a value and this b. So 0 and 1, these are a and b values. Bisection formula is a plus b upon 2, where value of a it is 0 plus 1 upon 2 and that output it is 0.5. So first approximation we got here 0.5. Now in the second row we required again value of a and b. So for that we are understanding one concept, f of 0. So 0 have minus symbol. This is the symbol, not a sign. And f of 1 have plus symbol. Similarly, find out a symbol for 0.5. So substitute this 0.5 in the equation. 0.5 into e raised to 0.5 minus 2 and that output it is minus 1.1756 minus 1.1756. So this is for our understanding. We will understood what procedure is going on in the bisection method. Now put this minus symbol for 0.5. From these three values, consider any two opposite symbol terms, minus and plus. So next interval is minus 1 plus symbol. We discuss here next approximation x2 a plus b upon 2 which is equals to 0.75. This is our second approximation. Again we required symbol for the discussion of next interval or value of a and b. Put f of 0.75 in the equation. And the output of for this it is minus of 0.4122. Again that minus symbol we will put for this 0.75. Consider any two opposite numbers, 0.75 minus and plus. So these two will consider minus 1 plus. these two are having the opposite, but again if we take these two, then we'll get the same output. So we'll not consider these two numbers as opposite terms. Next interval become this one, x3. Upon 2, and the output is 0.8750. 8750. Put this in the polynomial. Now I am directly writing output of this after substituting 0.0990. Now it have plus sign, so plus symbol we put here. Opposite terms minus and plus. In the next row, that terms we will consider. So x4 become upon 2, which is equals to a plus b upon 2. Next, 8125. Fourth approximation we got here 0.8125. Now again the symbol for that, f of 0.8125 substituted, and output for this after substitution minus this minus we given for this 0.8125 symbol. Consider any two opposites. So these two opposites are minus 0.8750 plus. So x5 become 8125 8750 upon 2, which is equals to 0.8438. 0.8438. So we stop after calculation of fifth approximation. So x5 is this value, hence root is 0.8438. Now if we calculate the next approximation, that is x6 or x7, that last value we assume this is the root of that transcendental equation. So we discuss here a transcendental equation by using bisection method. Now one thing, while calculating exponential values, e raised to 1, how we will find out on the calci? So on calci there are two keys that we can use. While calculation of e of 1, we will calculate e1 and we will get the output, or by using the shift key there will get one symbol like this. Then in that case we'll put in the top cap, and that will give us the output of this e raised to 1. So e raised to 1 value on the calci we can calculate by using two ways. E in front of that you put here that number e of 1, then will get the output, or the actual representation e to the power 1, it is on the calci shift e key, this symbol will occur, cap you substitute that value 1, and then the output remain same for these two expressions. So exponential term on the calci we can calculate like this. So this is bisection method. Thank you.